Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan Molo. Today's date is the 15th of September 2022. Today's video topic is the non-access modifier. Non-access modifier in Java. Modifier are specific keyword present in the Java using that we can make changes to the characteristics of the variable, method or a class and the limit its limited scope. Modifier in Java are divided into the mainly two types. The first one is the access modifier and the second one is the non-access modifier. In this video we can see the non-access modifier. In this non-access modifier there are the 7 types present in the Java. They are the static final, abstract, synchronized, volatile, transient and native. So we can see the one by one. The first one is the static. The static keyword means that the entity to which it is applied to a variable outside any particular instance of the class. And the use of the static keyword makes the program more efficient by solving memory or static field exist across all the class instances and without creating an object of the class they can be called. The next non-access modifier is the final. The final keyword indicates that the specific class cannot be extended or a method cannot be overridden. And the next non-access modifier is the abstract. Abstract keyword is cannot be used with the abstract keyword is used to declare a class as a particular implemented means an object cannot be created directly from that class, and any subclass need to be either implement all the methods of the abstract class, or it should also need to be abstract class. The abstract class cannot be used with static final or the private keyword because they prevent overriding, and we need to override methods in the case of the abstract class. And the next is the volatile. The volatile keyword is used to make the class thread safe. And the next non-access modifier is the synchronized. Synchronized keyword prevents a block of code from executing by multiple threads at once. It is very important for the some critical operations. And next is the transient. The transient keyword may be applied to a member variable of a class to indicate that the member variable should not be serialized when the containing class instance is serialized. And the next non-access modifier and last one is the native. The native keyword may be applied to the method to indicate that the method is implemented in a language other than Java, and other than using this Java application can call code written in the C and C++ or assembler language, and a shared code library or DLL is required in this case. And this is my point of view about the non-access modifier in Java. Thank you.